Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing from Color Street. This is their entire Valentine's Day collection. They offered it to consultants super cheap, and you're able to pre-order it. So there are 18, I believe, in here, and Jackson's here with me. So we're gonna pull them out and take a look. I saw a picture of them, but is this Tokyo Lights? Yeah, so Tokyo Lights is one they always have around, and this one is fabulous. I had this on my toes and it is so sparkly. I actually had men compliment them and notice them from across the room, which might be a little creepy, but that one's good. I think there's 2 of these in there. That is one of their best sellers. Slightly different than what I have on my nails now. This one is called All the Jingle Ladies. I guess it was supposed to be Christmas / New Year's Eve, but it doesn't really look like it to me. What you got, Jackson? Let's see. Another Tokyo Lights. Yep. So we got 2 of those, and then everything else should be the Valentine's Day one. So I got my helper.
This is Valentine's Day. It's not Valentine's Day.
Well, it kind of is. It's pink. This one is Belize Bellini. So that's very glittery. It's a really pretty pink. What else we got?
It's the same one.
It's the same one. Maybe they did give us 2 of each. They didn't really say much. I was just excited about the price because it was really cheap. And I know that I'll use them. Oh, cute.
Easter ones.
They're not Easter, silly. They're little conversation hearts. And then some of them say XOXO, be mine, and love you. I love conversation hearts. This one is called a Sweet Talker. I feel like that's some of the candy that you either love or hate. I really like them, but I know some people think they're disgusting, but I think they're good. So those would be cute.
One.
Okay, so I guess we did get 2 of each. No biggie.
Okay, what'd I get? Ooh.
They say that if you keep them sealed like this, you don't open them. I think the company says they'll last a year, but previously they said 3 years, so I'm not too concerned about it. That is kind of cool. It's like dipped. Florence Fizz. That's pretty neat. Cool.
And
ooh,
it's a
I like
one.
those.
I got another one of those.
Bright, sparkly red. This one is Lust-Embourg. All right, what else we got?
Ooh.
Oh, those are cute. I like the chunky glitter ones. So these are white with a bunch of pink, purple, red, chunky glitter, and then small glitter as well. And this one is called Cannes-Fetti. Cute. All right, what else? Another Cannes-Fetti. I wish you could see him. He's jumping up and down every time he takes one out. What else we got? Another one of the, I already forgot what it's called, Florence one. Those are cute.
Another one of those ones.
Another one of the reds. I don't even know what I'm going to use first, honestly.
And a new one.
Oh, I like those. So the base of your nail will have the heart on it, and then it kind of has an ombre effect. Very cute. This one is called Work of Fine Heart. Those are neat.
Okay, what did I get?
Oh, I saw those. So these weren't my favorite when I first saw them, but I think they're going to look cool on your nails. So a couple of them have like little love letter. It says, I love you. So something about with all my heart, something darling, precious. Then the other ones have these roses on them. It's kind of like a nude color, so that'll be fun.
Okay, what did I get?
I don't know. Do you think there are any more new ones in there? There's another one of the heart. I think I might use those first. I like those.
And another.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I remember these. These are cool as well. It's a neat color. And then some of them just have a simple heart, and then some have little tiny hearts with the lines. It reminds me of chocolate-covered strawberries when you drizzle the chocolate like that.
It really does.
Whole latte love. Cute. Another duplicate. How many more do we got? I feel like we're coming to the end.
One. This is our last
one. So it's a duplicate of the whole latte love. You are so funny. So that is a ton of Valentine's Day ones. So there's a couple things I forgot to mention in some of my other videos. So I did one video where I put them on so you can see how quick and easy that is, and I'll link it below, along with my website, all that good stuff. But in here, there's 2 full strips like this, and that will last you 2 full sets on your hands and 1 full set on your feet. you might be able to squeeze 2 out of your feet. So it's a pretty good price. So I feel like it's worth the value. And if you put them on your toes, gosh, they last forever. I had them on for months on my toes. I love them. So another thing, if you open this, it's inside a sealed plastic thing. If you open it and then put them on your nails, you need to put them back inside that sleeve and either take a hair straightener and hold it down so it seals it shut, or I'm lazy and I just take a lighter and burn it and like press it down and keep burning it, which probably isn't the safest, but it works for me. But if you don't do that and you put it in a plastic bag or you don't seal it at all, they will dry out. So you do have to do that if you want to keep them and reuse them, which why wouldn't you want to? Because you can get several nail sets out of them. So that is our Valentine's Day collection. Super exciting. So you're going to be seeing these on my nails probably for, you know, maybe all year round. I'll try to do like the heart ones first, but these I'm definitely going to wear probably on my toes even during the summer. They're so cute. So if you guys are interested, I'll have a link below. If you guys want a sample, if you want a little booklet and a sample, you want to try them out, I do have some samples left and I can mail this out to you. So you can find my email in the description box and just let me know that you want a sample of Color Street and I will shoot one to you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys. Bye.